Hall 6, which is part of Pharma Pro&Pack Expo, and I'm with Ravindra Alve, who's the General Manager, Sales and Marketing for IMA PG Packaging Solutions. Ravindra, pleasure to meet you.
My pleasure too.
I know it's late in the afternoon, but thank you for taking the time to talk to me.
My pleasure.
Yeah. So let's start off by talking about IMA PG Packaging Solutions. Talk to us a little bit about the products you offer and the markets that you're present in.
IMA PG is a subsidiary of EMA, which is 100% company of EMA SPA Italy. We in India manufacture packaging machines for pharmaceutical, then for non-pharma segment as well. And in packaging machines, we offer to blister packing machines, cartoning machines, tube filling machines, banding machines, case packers. These are the range of machines that we offer to the Indian market. Also, we do export all over the world for the machines made in India.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Yeah. So, Italian company, but you have a fully fledged operation here with factories, with design centers as well.
Yes, as well, because the machines which we make in India are not made in Italy.
Oh, I see.
So we need to have a design center. We need to have complete setup.
Right.
Design, manufacturing, installation, service, spare parts, everything.
So service is obviously the most important part because certainly in the pharma industry with so many regulations and of course the sensitivity of the kind of products that are packed, you need to be really on the ball with that.
And product needs a service not only because they have to run it for throughout so many years, but also now the new trend of validations of the machines is very important. So this can be done by the engineering team.
Right.
Also over the period of times, there is a cross-checking of these performances. So which needs a quite exhaustive service team as well.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's necessary.
So a lot of these services that you do are the after sales or the maintenance, etc. Is that done through online technology or do you do site visits? How does it work?
Both. Basically, it's a site visit.
Yeah.
Online is for the software related or the IT related matters, upgrades, some corrections, corrupted programs need to be changed. That time we do that, but it's a engineering machine, so we need to be at site.
So is the software designed in India as well? Or?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Of course.
So it's like a 360-degree solution for Indian customers.
Absolutely.
But of course, if you're selling your products abroad, then services
we
handled
do sell.
locally.
We do sales, and we follow the necessities of the foreign market as well.
Yes.
Because EMA has got certain regulations for exporting the product, which we follow, like C certification, European Community certificates, UL certification, RSA certification. That we do for our machines because they have to comply to the
local conditions,
conditions in that
and
country.
Regulations in that country.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, so in all of this, it's a very, very competitive market.
Of course.
There are a lot of players, and of course, technological innovation is increasing rapidly year on year. So how do you cope with that?
Earlier, it was only Indian competition, but last 10 years, it has been international competition as well. To cope up with that, of course, we have a backing of EMA, that they give us the support for the technological developments, for launching new machines which are suitable for the Indian market. This is the one best thing that they do. And secondly, wherever we are offering our machines abroad, they also provide service to these machines of our machines in that country with their local engineers or European engineers whenever it's possible to approach these clients because we are not the only supplier to them, but EMA is also supplier to them.
Right.
So they are customers of both of us.
Oh, okay.
So we do hand-in-hand operations in those situations.
Right.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that actually then provides a bigger and better platform to your customers.
Of course. That's what they are relying on because service is something which they need very quickly. Going from India or going from any part of the world to that destination is not so easy. But we have extensive coverage of the market by service, by sales, which is very good. Absolutely good.
In the market segments that you operate in, what do you feel are the biggest challenges faced, firstly within the industry and secondly for IMA PG?
Challenges are like that, we have to update our products regularly, which is actually we have to cope up with the demands that are to be fetched in that market. For example, now more and more pharma companies are going for US FDA approvals or international approvals where they want to export. So in that case, our machinery has to comply to the current GMP activities, okay, as well as a lot of automation that they are asking, which earlier it was a manual job, but looking at the labor issues or looking at the automation demands or basically product demands, untouched products.
Right. Yeah.
Touchless or human touchless products.
So automation, robotics, stuff
robotics
like
is
that. AI
absolutely.
and ML, does that
of
come
course,
into it? Yes.
it is coming because AI will play a major role here in the Indian machines and machines of EMA. Basically for, where there are audit trials which are taken for batch reports, as well as, corrective actions which machine has to take. AI will give speed to it,
Right.
What corrective actions, if the machine is performing in certain way, there are certain rejections happening. So what is the corrective action that machine has to take by itself?
Right.
By adjusting the program, by adjusting certain movement of these stations parts, which AI will definitely help, which right now it is through PLC and manual intervention.
Okay.
That takes time, that needs a lot of knowledge of the machine, software, which now will definitely be substituted by AI.
And downtime costs money.
Of course, of course. And especially when you have high-speed machines, you can imagine the downtime of 1 second, 1 minute.
Yes.
It's tremendous. Loss of production. People have started talking about that. They always say, the overall equipment efficiency, OEE, has to be very high. It has to go up and up and up because finally if the machine runs, the products are produced.
Yes.
That's what is the real story.
So, Pharma Pro&Pack Expo has been part of your strategy for customer outreach for a while, or how many years have you been coming to this show?
This show we are participating for the first time.
Oh, okay. So, congratulations on that. How has it been thus far?
This so far good. This is the first day. And we thought about this show because we are already participating in 2-3 shows in India.
Right.
And last year and year before, we got a lot of feedback from our own customers that this is the event where we can participate, we can show our presence, we can display our machines, we can meet a lot of people in actually Hyderabad region section, where there are a lot of pharma companies are there. It's kind of a hub. Basically. So this is very nice for interactions with the people, and this year we are judging for better participation by bringing in machineries also in the show. So this is a good platform. So far so good.
So far
and
so
we
good.
hope to have better response on the second and third day.
Yes.
So that will strengthen our decision of bringing machines as well.
As well.
Yeah.
So, but thus far it's been pretty satisfactory with 2 days to go. You're thinking the feedback that my customers gave me, and I've proactively adopted that, and it's working out.
They were always thinking that we will bring some machines, okay, but it's not that way. But definitely we will see, because this stall size is little smaller. We are looking for a bigger stall, and of course they are all occupied. They are pre-booked, repeat booking. So getting a bigger stall is a challenge for us. As well as the organizer will have to find some space for us.
Well, there's always next year, and just get
we
there.
will see how we can participate in
to
a better way. In a better way. But this has been a good show so far, and we hope to participate in coming years as well.
But overall exhibitions, how important are they for you, and what do you hope to get out of them?
Actually, it's a nice platform for meeting a lot of people at the same time, same place. People wherever you go, I mean, it's very difficult to find their time. They come here with the time, they approach us, they spend time with us, which is actually good for us because they talk to relevant people in the stall. And here we have important people who come here, and we have some CEOs coming, some presidents of the companies are coming. When they are satisfied with our machines, our people, of course down the line people will follow their directives that go with this brand, go with that brand, which helps us to pursue the matter in the factory or in the operations level, which is actually a good sign for participating in exhibitions.
Beautiful. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it, and I wish you the best for the next 2 days of the exhibition.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
I've been talking with Mr. Ravindra Alve, who's the General Manager, Sales and Marketing for IMA PG Packaging Solutions.